Made from two innovative soft flexible layers, Stellar gives you packable protection from water and odor on the go. 3 layers of eco-conscious waterproof protection hold wet swimsuits and sweaty fitness gear or keep your clothes dry and protected. The powerful natural silver ion antimicrobial technology prevents and kills the growth of unhealthy microbes, including harmful bacteria caused by water and sweat. The Shield Protector coating makes dirt and liquids bead up and roll off to prevent germs from penetrating the bag. Stellar doesn't just hide or lock odor in, it eliminates it by removing the odor-causing bacteria, keeping it fresh, odor, and damage-free. It's designed with a premium brass zipper for long-lasting durability. Stellar is machine washable for easy, convenient care. Stellar uses eco-conscious processes that emit no toxins or harmful VOCs into the environment. Tested to protect for over 300 washes, it has long-lasting durability and quality while greatly reducing the use of plastic bags. Packed with innovation, Stellar is a reusable, versatile accessory. Go from work to workout, or from the pool to the plane. It makes everyday routines or travel simple and safe. The specially designed leak-proof bottom and innovative treatments make it a smart, safe, sustainable essential. Stellar is proudly made in America, as are all the products designed by our brand, Ornati.